Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, we've all dealt with entitled passengers, and we've seen a lot of videos on it. But what happens when you report the passenger for being disrespectful or unruly to Uber? Check out the video and then I'll show you what happens next.
The number of people hospitalized has nearly doubled since last week, with 24 additional deaths reported. Margaret Carrero, KNX News, 97.1 FM. The American Military Museum in South El Monte going up in flames. I'll give you details on that at the bottom of the hour. 10:25 traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5s. Here's Barbara Brooks. We have a SIG for potholes in Alhambra, 10 westbound for the 710. 3 right lanes along with the connector to the 710 northbound block to fill 6 potholes. Caltrans trying to get it done as quickly as they can. And then tow trucks are going to have to clear several cars off the shoulder there with flat tires. So watch out for a jam up starting before Fremont. We also have a problem in West LA, 405 southbound for the 10. Spin out, hits the right shoulder wall. There's debris to watch out for in the middle lanes as well.
I just told you, you wasn't listening to me. I said, I'm in a car. I said, stay on the phone with me until I get home.
Cars are a little delayed. Watch out by Carson, 110 northbound, 220th Street off-ramp closed. We got a food spill in the area. And a crash occurring in Santa Ana, 55 northbound before the 5. It's off the shoulder, but traffic's still busy coming away from Anninger. Your next report at 10:35. Tomorrow, put one off in the Irvine Auto Center. 24-hour traffic center. KNX News, 97.1 FM. Well, mostly cloudy skies. A chance of rain tonight, also after midnight. Temperatures are going to be in the 30s and 40s. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy in the morning, and then sunshine for most of Southern California. Inland Empire is still going to see a few showers. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s, and then mostly clear for the night. 20 Glendale, 53 degrees right now. In Ontario, it's 49, and then
looks like that's where it's taking us.
48 degrees.
Yeah, you going on wake call and then you want to take the team.
I'm going to take what?
You're going to wake call first.
That's what.
So I can grab something.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Says, and then it says to go to J15.
Okay. I'm just following the map.
No, my sister was trying to make sure because they already took the money out of her account.
Well, we can only wait 5 minutes, so.
Employers with 1 to 100 employees do their payroll correctly with PayStub.
Okay, only thing I'm doing is you want to go grab
Promo
something.
code radio
Okay.
and get 2 months of payroll free at patriotsoftware.com.
Right.
As the experts in transmission for over 50 years, there's nothing at AMCO we haven't heard.
Want to hit the gas?
Hit the belt. And nothing we can't fix.
It's going. What's that?
From transmissions to brakes and everything in between. No credit? Finance your repair at AMCO. Exclusions apply, may not be combined with any other offer. Limited time offer. Parts and fittings centers only. People who know go to AMCO.
At this point, I could have just walked to Winco and had him pick me up from Winco.
Business owners, here is a scary fact. Studies show that 85%
Because he
of
like,
customers
oh,
looking
I
for
only
a
can wait
product
5
or service
minutes.
that
I got
we
other
will
rights.
simply hang up and call the closest competitors right away. With the internet,
Is that a problem?
patience is long gone.
It's not a problem, but my whole thing is just that if it was a big situation, like y'all shouldn't take that out on your rider.
I'm just following the rules. That's what they
No,
say.
it's not even about the rules. It's about Uber. It's like your customer is your client, your clientele.
Well,
That's what pays your bills.
no,
So
this does not pay my bills.
Did you hear him?
Uber, there's no way.
Please do.
There's no
Please
way
do.
I could.
Okay, I will get off. It's not a problem.
I'm just.
I
I
don't
was
even
just.
understand what the problem is. I didn't even do anything to you, sir.
You didn't. I was just
I
letting you.
literally did not.
I was just letting you know that we can. Oh, she canceled,
Oh my
so
God.
you can get out now.
Damn. I will get out, but you don't have to talk to me like that, like I'm a piece of shit.
I didn't.
Cause at this point, you got me fucked up.
Get out of the car.
No, ain't no fucking get out the car.
Get
Cause
out.
now you got me fucked up.
Get out of the car, or I'm
I
gonna
don't
pepper
give
spray
a
you.
fuck about you making shit.
Get out of my car.
I will take the shit out of you.
Get
too.
out of my car.
Marquisha, you see this shit?
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Okay, I will get out your. It's not a problem.
I'm just.
I
I
don't
was
even
just.
understand what the problem is. I didn't even do anything to you, sir.
You didn't. I was just
I
letting you.
literally did not.
I was just letting you know that we can. Oh, she canceled,
Oh my
so
God.
you can get out now.
Damn. I will get out, but you don't have to talk to me like that, like I'm a piece of shit.
I didn't.
Cause at this point, you got me fucked up.
Get out of the car.
No, ain't no fucking get out the car.
Get
Cause
out.
now you got me fucked up.
Get out of the car, or I'm gonna
I don't
pepper
give
spray
a
you.
fuck about you making shit.
Get out of my car.
I will take the shit out of you.
Get
too.
out of my car.
Marquisha, you see this shit?
Thank you. Happy holidays.
So as you can see in the video, after the ride started, she had already started asking about where I was taking her and so on and so forth. Third party rider. Her sister had called Uber to pick her up, the passenger, and take her to the store and then bring her home. As you can see in the video, the ride went south as soon as she got into the car and started asking where I was taking her. So check out the following screenshots. This is what happened after I reported her to Uber. There you have it. I have been deactivated temporarily, so they say, pending an investigation. I sent them the footage, and you saw the text messages and Uber's responses. And even though I was the one who was dealing with this person and the ride went south and she refused to get out of my car, I reported it just the way it happened, and Uber decided to suspend my account. So I don't know what to say. Thanks Uber for taking the passenger side, even though you have video of how she acted. The only thing I can tell drivers, and as hard as it is to do, I am not taking third-party passengers anymore. If the account holder is not there to take the ride with somebody else and they're calling for somebody else, I'm simply going to tell them, I'm sorry, you're not the account holder, your name isn't on my screen, I can't take the ride. This is the problem with third-party riders, is they can't be tracked, and the account holder can say whatever they want. They weren't in the vehicle. So now it's a battle between he said, she said, literally, and now we sit and wait. So if you can avoid taking a third-party passenger, avoid it, because there's no way to track the trip or anything like that. Now apparently the account holder had obviously said something to Uber and escalated it to, I don't know, because even though I'm the one who's being investigated, they won't tell me. But apparently it was more than just that little back and forth that we had in the car. It was escalated to something else. Once again, account holders lying about what happened on the trip, and Uber's taking their side. So hope you got a little information out of it. Until next time, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and if you must, drive on. Do not take third-party passengers. They cannot be tracked. The account holder is not there, and the account holder can say anything they want, and you're on your own. And have a dash camera. That's the only thing that's going to save your ass should something like this happen. Be safe, everybody. Wish you all the best of health.